Hello, madam.
Can you introduce yourself?
Good day, madam. My name is Novi Manikae Concepcion. I am 38 years of age at this time. I am single, no child. My highest educational attainment is college graduate. I took up Bachelor of Science in Nursing. I work as domestic helper in Taiwan for 3 years. I serve two couple, two elderly ages 80 years old and 85 years old. I work as domestic helper in Hong Kong. I serve one couple, two children ages 2 years old and 4 years old. I do I, my main tasks and duties on my past employer is to provide and secure their daily needs, serve them wholeheartedly, and treat them as a family. As a single, I know how to take care of children. I have niece and nephew. Most of the time, I'll take care of them. I do believe that my course is suitable for this job since I can apply my knowledge and skills I obtain. Hence, I relate my course in doing my tasks such as taking care of elderly and children. I check their body temperature and blood sugar. I remind them to take their medicine. I know how to cook some Chinese dishes such as chicken soup with shiitake mushroom, stir-fried carrots with eggs, stir-fried vegetables. I do cleaning, washing, and I do proper laundry. And I take care uh, uh, elderly and children. I play with them and I love them as my own family. Thank you, madam.
So can I test you in some Mandarin?
Yes, madam.
你好吗？
Are you okay?
你好，
Hello.
早安，
Good morning.
吃饭。
Chiffon. Uh, you cook, you eat, madam.
Wash your hand。
She,
洗手。
sizzle.
不好意思，睡觉。
Sweet child. Good night. I sleep.
喝水。
Drink
喝水。
water, madam. Water.
衣服。
Clothes.
洗澡。
See chow. Take a bath, madam.
再见。
Bye bye.
漂亮。
Beautiful.
老板。
Lao Pine uh, employer. I
去哪
husband
里
of my friend. Chinali, where are you going?
Also, can you speak in count the number in Cantonese?
Yacht.
Okay, it's
Mandarin.
okay.
Ay, Mandarin mo daw. I'm
Oh,
sorry.
Mandarin, yeah, you can try.
San, Si, U, Ryo, Chi, Pat, Kao, Shi.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.